Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce you to the HAVLOTII Kids Bookshelf and Toy Organizer, a perfect blend of functionality and style designed to spark your child's love for reading and organization. Standing at a child-friendly height of 29.5 inches, this 3-tier bookshelf features fabric pockets made from durable non-woven fabric and iron pipes, making it easy for little hands to pick out their favorite stories. Not just a bookshelf, this versatile piece also includes a 3-tier storage rack crafted from high-quality particleboard, ideal for displaying toys and decorations, helping to keep your child's room clutter-free. Safety is our top priority, which is why we've included anti-slip foot pads and an anti-tilt strap to prevent accidents, ensuring peace of mind for parents. The calming white and beige colors of this organizer create a soothing atmosphere, inspiring creativity and seamlessly fitting into any child's room, playroom, or nursery. With effortless installation and easy-to-clean design, the HAVLOTII bookshelf is not just a storage solution but a stylish addition to your child's space. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more innovative solutions for your home. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.